Hello, today I want to talk about the liquid to matte lipstick by ColourPop. There are 100 liquid to matte lipstick brands on the market. ColourPop is known for their wide variety of shades, their inclusive marketing, and their brand. They're known for their formula, their pressed powders, which has a really awesome formula. They have pressed powders, they have lipsticks, they have all sorts of products for the eye and the face. But this is their liquid matte lipstick, which is really great. It's one of the less expensive brands on the market, which basically, you know, it's not the best quality, but for what it is, it's pretty good. ColourPop has a wide variety of reds, pinks, oranges, purples, and the list goes on. There's so many different shades of lipstick that they have. You want to try them all. Now, there are a couple of things about the formula that I would like to share before you run out and grab this, only because you're going to want to know before comparing it to a better liquid lipstick. Obviously, it's not the very top of the list, but it's definitely good, and in my opinion, it's worth a try. So it comes in a bottle like this. Now this is a really good size bottle for a liquid lipstick. Usually liquid lipsticks come in this size bottle, and this is a really good amount of product. Now this product, this bottle, this is glass, so you got to be really careful with it. It's not heavy necessarily. Actually, maybe it's hard plastic. I can't really tell. Maybe it's hard plastic. It looks hard plastic because I'm sitting here like this, but it can chip. So just be careful with it. Yes, you can definitely throw this in your bag. I mean, it's definitely on the larger size, but if you have a purse, sure. If you're going out for the night and you're wearing a clutch or like a small crossbody or like a wristlet, maybe not. It's a little bit on the tall side. Just depending, obviously you can't slip it in your back pocket. It's way too big for that. But the good thing about it, is that it's a lot of product. It packs a lot of product, which is great. That means you'll have it for a long time. Here's an ink pen. As you can see, it doesn't quite measure up to the ink pen. And then I have a penny, just so that you can get a good idea of how big it is around. And as you can see here, just from the side view, the penny is a lot wider than the bottle. So, but you can kind of get a good idea of it. I can hold it in my hand like this. I can throw it in my purse, not put it in my pocket. So as you can see, the bottle on the surface is blank. This is not what it looks like when it came. You can tell that the bottle, obviously, the deco was not there. It all rubbed off. That, again, could be a testament to the quality of the product because the packaging is not the best. The bottom here, you're going to see the shade number and the name. This one's Rouge. This shade was specifically developed for the model Karuchi Tran. She did a collaboration with ColourPop a couple years ago, and she developed this shade, and it's a really, really great red. It has a beautiful shimmer undertone. I love it, and I'm excited to swatch it for you. So basically, you open the bottle up like that, like normal. You're gonna get a lot of product on the wand, so you just want to wipe it off. Now you can see the wand has a good, nice angle. This is great for filling in the lip and lining the lip with this. For those who know how to apply liquid lipstick, you line the lips first, top and the bottom, and then you fill it in with this. This is perfect for that. This is a standard wand. For most liquid lipsticks, this is the kind of wand that you're gonna get. Some have brushes, some wands are shorter, taller, some are shaped a little bit different. Some more of the higher end wands are a little bit fancier, but this is perfect. You can hold it in your hand really nicely. You're not going to get any product on your hand. It's a good tip on the wand so that you can line your lip properly, and then you can fill it in with the product. It does hold a lot of the product depending on how it is. Some ladies out there who are, you know, pros at applying it, they don't even need to wipe the excess product off on the side of the bottle. They just kind of use it as it is. But this wand holds a lot of product, so I just wipe it off on the side before I start applying. As you can see, it's going right in there. There's a lot of product on this. I don't need nearly as much. I don't really use it that way. But I'm going to swatch it for you. Now, this product, one of ColourPop's huge assets is that their liquid lipsticks have great payoff. Payoff meaning the color is bright, it's vibrant. You don't have to pack it on. One swipe really gives you a nice even layer of color. And that's what a lot of ladies look for in a liquid lipstick. So I'm going to swatch it on my arm for you so that you can kind of get a good idea. So I just swipe it like that. And as you can see, full coverage. It's full coverage. And this is a true red. I mean, it's a brick red. It's beautiful. When it dries matte, again, this is liquid to matte. So it's going to dry matte on your lips. And it gives a really nice, like, warm shimmer tone to it. It's beautiful. It almost has a yellow base. You can kind of see a little bit of yellow in it. And then this red upper. And it's beautiful. So let me just show you one thing that can be a deal breaker. So as you can see here on the side of my arm, let me just try to get a better, so you can see. Now you can see right there on the side where it already has gotten too dry. Okay, huge deal breaker for a liquid lipstick. You don't want it to dry like that. That's the only thing about ColourPop Cosmetics. And this particular shade, it does get dry. You don't want to apply multiple layers of it because it's just going to make it worse. Definitely not an all-day wear. It's transfer proof. It's not going to be on your cup or your straw, but at the end of the night, it does get a little bit dry and you're going to want to take it off. Don't want to eat in it. It's just not that kind of liquid lipstick, but definitely give ColourPop a try. I'm glad I was able to talk about the pros and the cons for you today, and I hope that you found that helpful.